Hello everyone and welcome to our Python 0 to Hero series. In this course, you'll learn Python from absolute basics to advanced topics, all step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or just curious about coding, this series is for you. Before going ahead, don't forget to subscribe Cut with Safi and like and also drop a comment. So, what we will cover today? So, we will have a series of Python 0 to Hero. Today is the episode 1 that we are speaking what's Python, why learn Python, and most of them. So, let's go. What's Python? First of all, let me describe you that you will start your coding journey here. You'll learn Python from absolute zero and also your bulk real projects. And one more thing, no experience is needed. No experience needed. So it's not required that you should be a Python or a programmer, maybe in some language else, but Python is something else. You will learn this. So it's Python. Remember, not the snake. You may have heard the pythons and a snake, a giant snake. But we are not speaking about the snake. We are speaking a language that's a high level programming language. It's interpreted language and it's general purpose programming language. It's designed to be easy and readable, so you can call it beginner friendly. It was developed or it was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and it's known by simplicity. With simplicity, clean and readable syntax. Looks like English. The same way you speak an English language, you dictate computers to do some things, but not like, hey, computer do this thing, like this way, but writing some codes like what? Print hello world or something else. The same way we dictate in English. Hey, print this thing. In Python, we say print hello world or something else. So it's the most beginner friendly language you may have seen. So you may have asked, so where's Python? Where you can use Python? So Python is being used in almost everywhere, like Java. Yes, you may have it's running over 3 billion plus devices. Now Python is something like that. We can use Python in web development using the frameworks like Flask and Django. Or we can use it in science using frameworks like Pandas and NumPy. Or you can use it in machine learning using the framework TensorFlow. Or you can use it for cybersecurity. You can use it for game development with the framework Pygame. And also you can use it for the automation. And one of the most things that I haven't mentioned in this slide is that you can use the Python in IoT and robotics. So you heard that we can use in different aspects of programming, just Python and nothing else. So you may ask where and why you should learn it. Why you should learn it or why you should learn Python. And one more thing to remember that Python is being used with major companies like Google, NASA, Instagram, Netflix, Roblox, Facebook, YouTube, and everywhere you think. Python is nowadays everywhere. So now, why you should learn Python? The reason is very easy. It's super beginner friendly. It's super beginner friendly feels like magic. It's easy. It's very easy. Easier than your mother tongue. Second reason is high demand in the job market. Current demand for job market of Python is too much. Not just some companies, but from the small startups to major companies are using Python. And that's why it has a high demand job market. Another thing is write once, run it anywhere. You don't need to write one code for one platform, another code for another platform, or something like that. But you code it once and you run it everywhere. And also, the most important thing to choose a programming language is the community. Python has millions of developers. Python has millions of developers, so it has a huge community. And there is thousands of free resources and libraries you can use as a Python programmer. Open source and cross platform. You can search and you can find different resources for friendly as an open source technology. And you can learn it fast and you can build real projects very quickly. So simply, it's very easy, simple, and accessible everywhere. So with tons of resources, free resources, and much more we have. So what we have included in this series that today is the episode number one. We have the basics and the variables, loops and functions, OP concepts, file handlings. So GUI projects or graphical user interfaces, web and API basics, and also real projects we will build at the end of this series, and much more other concepts that we will have using this series. Not just this we have mentioned. We will have lots of them. No, don't be worried. So if you're ready, let's install Python together. Then run your first ever program and so on. And one more thing to remember, like, subscribe, and share if you're excited. And also drop a comment, ask questions in comment boxes, and let's learn Python together. Episode number 2 will be coming soon. So thanks for watching. We will have lots of other different things. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. Don't forget the thumbnail, the background, and the code with Safi. Thank you. See you on next session with the practical implementation of our series of Python.